welcome to RC Industry.
One, two, three, four.
Watching the ship go in. Then I want to know the way again. Young, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I've been wasting time, sitting on the dock of the bay. Well, I left my home in Georgia, and I outed for the Frisco train. I had nothing to live for. Looks like nothing.
Hey, it's Rick here. My son bought me this years ago, and I always kept it in my car that I was driving when I worked for the state. And so I've had it in my work van, and you can see that this thing is loose. They've just got this kind of braided over. So what I'm going to try to do is go out, and we'll take this out to the, it's a little warmer today, so we'll go out in the garage and put it on the vise, and I'm going to take a punch and kind of gently tap that back down, and that'll make this tighter again, and then I can flip it back up on my sun visor. And another thing I want to do is I got a new computer, and so I want to take and do a Hillary Clinton on my old hard drive here, and then I want to try to get my stickers off of my off of this old computer, because I always like I like watching this show, and I like watching this one too. So, you know, I want to try to get them stickers off with a heat gun. If not, then we'll just but I got to destroy this thing too, break it all up, because you can't just throw stuff like that away around here. You have to break it all up to throw it away. So anyway, all right, show you more.
Okay, we're back here. I'd like to introduce the band to you right now. We are the Jackson Barnes Band.
Okay, I don't know if you can see this very good here, but I'm going to take, got a little punch here, and tap that down a little. Yeah, see, that tightened that right up. So that ought to work good. Alright, show you more. Okay, well, I said I was going to take and drill some holes in this and do a Hillary Clinton to it, you know, this hard drive, but these are so compact anymore and so interesting to me, because back in the day when personal computers were first a big thing, back in the 80s, I used to build computers and do all kinds of stuff with them. And back then, the hard drives were like big pieces, and you could take them apart. And I've never even seen anything this compact. The technology is just so much different than it was years ago. So anyway, I thought what I'd do, I want to take it apart and see what's in here. So while I'm taking this apart, I'm going to flash up here on the screen a picture of all the analytics, or some analytic statistics that I pulled off of my YouTube channel, the RC Industry channel. And what I thought was interesting is that the amount of views shown is way more than there is subscribers. So in other words, 90% of the views are people who are not subscribed to the channel. And so what that tells me is that I have enough view time to actually get paid for doing this. However, all of you folks that are, not all of you, but apparently 90-some% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So I would ask you to do that. But if I can get 1,000 subscribers, then I can start getting paid to do this. So anyway, I would ask you to make sure you're subscribed. I appreciate you watching the videos, and I hope that some of them are informative to you. As I noticed that most of my views are on ones where I'm repairing things and doing stuff like that. So anyway, I would ask you to be sure and subscribe. So, alright, enough of that soapbox derby there. So I have no idea what that does, but looks like it's a piece of scrap metal now. So, and let's just see. Oh, we've got 2 more screws here. Alright. Gosh, used to be able to, you could take a solder gun and work on these circuit boards, and look at that thing. My goodness. So I would assume that these are memories. I'm guessing. I don't really know. We're going to take and pry all that stuff off there and break that up. Not that there's that big a deal with the information that's on here, but in today's time, I wouldn't want anybody to have anything that was on here. So let's see. Now these have got little teeny tiny Torx on them. So let me go see if I can find a Torx that small. Show you more. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I don't have a Torx that size. My goodness, that must be like a -2 or something. So I took this straight blade and kind of put a little notch in it, and it goes in here now. So let's see if we can get these off of here. Again, you know, I'm just I need to destroy this hard drive, and I just want to see what's in it. So hopefully you're as interested as I am. I'm sure there's people that know how to do this better than me. All I know is my IT guy said to destroy this, and he told me to drill some holes, drill like 4 holes down through here. Well, I think that's probably what was going to take out this stuff, so I'm definitely going to do that, but we will destroy those. I've got Musty One on right now. I don't know if you guys watch him, but he's working on his kit car that he bought last summer. And, so I've been keeping up with Jonathan W. too. I don't know if you watch him, but he's got his crane back home now, and that he bought, and then he's got a dozer. I think it was a D4 dozer, an old style one that he's been messing with. So okay, let's see if this will prop apart now. Let's see what's in this thing. Oops. Let's see. Do not cover breathing hole. this arrow. Okay, well, I wouldn't want to cover that up. Oh, here's another screw in here. Let's see if we can get this one out. There we go. I don't see any other screws or anything down in here. Unless there's something underneath these little things here. No, doesn't look like it. Alright, let's see if we can get this apart. Well, there we go. Got something under there. Let's get some pliers on this. Well, you'd think the thing just popped right apart. Oh, but there's a screw right there. Yep. Little teeny tiny Torx there. Let's see if that helps. Looky there. Okay. There's your breathing hole. And there's your read-write arms. So it's funny, they're just little, they're just really little versus what the old computers back when, you know, you were running Windows 3.1 or something. So, because you would park your, you know, whenever you moved your computer, your read-write arms would be out here, and then you would always have to type in park, and then they would pull them back so you wouldn't damage the hard drive or the disk. Let's see if we can get this off here. So these actually do have, this has a disc and a hub in this. I can't get that screw to come out of there. No, she's not going to come out of there. Well, there we go. That's probably got some kind of poison in it or something. Who knows? I know I don't want none of that on the floor here because of the dogs. Let's see if we can get this one busted up a little yet. Okay, well, I think what I'm going to do, let's take this out in the garage and let's take a hammer and break the rest of this on up. It's interesting, I guess that stuff is made out of some sort of glass. That's what it looks like, but you know, who knows? Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think this stuff is. You probably know. You people are pretty smart on this computer stuff. I just know when a computer don't work anymore, you just have to get a new one. And I was fortunate enough to get a good computer. So, alright, show you more. Okay, well, you know me, I'm all about safety first, so I want to break up the rest of this. And I've got my gloves on, and I got my mask here I'm going to put on. You know, because I don't want to get any of that shrapnel in my eyes or anything. So anyway, here we go. Pound that subscribe button. there's your CD-ROM. All right. Well, I don't know if that comes back that far. There we go. There's your LED screen and all that good stuff. Yeah. That ought to be an environmental disaster right there. Alright, just need to get this swept up and threw away. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe to the channel. Show you more. Bye. Run, Tallulah, run!
Last call for MK&O line service.
Hi, baby.
Stillwater. Boarding at dock number 5 for Sapulpa, Drumright, Cushing, Perkins Corner, and Stillwater. Connections at Perkins Corner for Coyle, Langston, Guthrie, and Edmond. Last call at dock number 5. Welcome aboard. We remind you that federal regulations allow only cigarette smoking on board, and then only in the rear of the coach. Thank you.